Yeah.
No space on memory card.
I know, that's it. Now the big one. That's hard. What's his name? Such a hard. His name's Milo. So you could give him a pat, but he's in a bit of an awkward position at the moment.
What are you doing? Got a bit of a traffic jam happening. Sorry.
There we go.
Oh,